welcome back to Tech Insider. Today we'll be doing the review of the 4 watches from Apple. The Apple Watch SE, second generation, and first of all, general specification. Brand is Apple. Model is Watch SE. Second generation launched in 7th September 2022. Watch SE second generation is a model name. Dial shape is rectangle. Size is regular. Touch screen is yes. IDL4 is unisex. And then the connectivity features is call function yes. Bluetooth yes. Wi-Fi yes. GPS yes. Platform and storage features is operating system Watch OS 9 number 4 is dual core. Let's do the camera and display features and more.
So now camera and display features, display size 40mm, display type OLED, Retina, black backlight display, yes, cluster system, yes, fitness and watch functions, step count, yes, calorie count, yes, heart rate monitor, yes, compass, yes, calendar, yes, alarm clock, yes, date and time display, yes, number of buttons, 1.
Now we can head into the Apple Watch Series 8. So talking about the Apple Watch Series 8, it is basically second series to these Apple Watch. So talking about the Apple Watch Series 8 GPS version, it is a newly launched Apple Watch, which is launched like 2 days back on 7th September at the event of Apple's launching of iPhone 15 as well. So we've got this interesting watch which was launched on 7th September, which is basically not launched in India till now. Now its model name is Apple Watch 8 Series 8 GPS with its dial shape which is rectangle, and its size which is regular, touchscreen yes, photo assistant yes, usage, fitness and outdoor for ideal for unisex. Now let's go into the for the connectivity, for the product details of this Apple. So we can know that it is having a compass, always on the other accelerometer, third gen optical, heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and ambient light sensor, of course. Its notification is yes. It is having a battery type of lithium ion with its battery life of 18 hours. Rechargeable battery is of course, and it personally is a great watch. Now let's go into its connectivity features, platform and storage features, etc.
Call function yes, Bluetooth yes, Wi-Fi yes, GPS yes, call function, international emergency calling, other connectivity features, emergency SOS, which is also there in the iPhone 14 series. The platform and storage features, operating system is a Watch OS 9. Camera and display features, display size is 41mm, display type is OLED, Retina, backlight display yes. Other display features LTPO, OLED, always on Retina display. Let's go to the fitness watch functions of the Series 8 GPS and also the starting of the Series 8 GPS plus cellular.
Fitness watch functions, step count yes, calorie count yes, heart rate monitor yes, altimeter yes, compass yes, calendar yes, alarm clock yes, date and time display yes, language English, the fitness features, blood oxygen sensors, ECG sensors, audio and video features, speakers yes, microphones yes. Now let's go to the Apple Watch Ultra. Now let's start with the Apple Watch Series 8 GPS plus cellular. So now general brand Apple model Watch Series 8 GPS plus cellular, release date 7th September 2022. Model name Watch Series 8 GPS plus cellular, dial shape rectangle, size regular, touchscreen yes, water resistant yes, usage, fitness and outdoor, ideal for unisex, and product details, sensors, compass, always on, altimeter, third gen optical, heart rate sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, and ambient light sensors, notification yes, battery type lithium ion, battery life 18 hours, rechargeable battery yes. Now let's go connectivity features and platform and storage features.
Yes, so talking about the connectivity features of this Apple Watch Series GPS plus cellular version, we've got its connectivity features, its call function which is available with its Bluetooth and its Wi-Fi which is both available. Its GPS of course by its name you can understand, and its call features which include the international emergency calling. Its other connectivity features are emergency SOS with its platform and storage features, which are operating system watch OS. And its camera and display features. The display size is 441 mm with a display type OLED Retina with its blacklight display, which is of course there, and its other display features, which is the LTPO OLED display, always on Retina. Now let's know about its fitness and watch functions.
Fitness Fitness and watch functions. So step count is yes, calorie count is the heart rate monitor, yes, altimeter, yes, compass is the calendar is the alarm clock is yes, data and display is yes, there, and language is English. Other fitness features are blood oxygen sensor, ECG sensor, audio and video features are the speakers, yes, microphone, yes. Now when we go to the Apple Watch Ultra, that's the last watch which was launched during the Apple event, is first of all the general specification brand is Apple, model is Watch Ultra, release date is September 7, 2022, model name is Watch Ultra, dial shape is rectangle, size is large, touchscreen yes, water resistant yes, water resistant depth is 40 millimeters, 40 meters, usage is fitness and outdoor, and idea for unisex. And now let's go to the product details and connectivity features.
Yes, so now talking about its product details of the Apple Watch Series 8 Ultra version. So I should say it. Yes, now talking about the Apple Watch Series 8, like Apple Watch Ultra, we've got its product details, which is the compass, which is its compass always on the altimeter with its third-gen optical heart rate sensor with its accelerometer, gyroscope, and ambient light sensor. It has got its notification with the battery type, which is lithium-ion with its rechargeable battery, of course. Its core functions include, connectivity features include, which is the call function with its Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and call features, which is the international emergency call. Its other connectivity features are emergency SOS. Then we've got its platform and storage features, which is the operating system Watch OS. We've got its platform and storage features, which is the operating system Watch OS 9. Now let's go into its camera and display features and its fitness and watch functions.
Display size 49mm display type OLED Retina backlight display yes. Other display features TPO OLED always on Retina display fitness and watch function step count yes, calorie count yes, heart rate monitor yes, altimeter yes, compass yes, calendar yes, alarm clock yes, date and time display yes, language English, and other fitness features blood oxygen sensor, ECG sensor, audio and video features, micro speakers yes, and microphone yes. This is the end of the review.
So if you guys like this video, subscribe and support us, and thanks for watching this video. My name is Jonas.
My name is Jonas. This is Chicken Sutra signing off. Bye bye.
Bye.